Hello sir, I am Milind Patil. Today on 25th August, I am going to discuss about the topic Angular. Okay, in that topic, we have to discuss about what is Angular and the features of the Angular and the which is the latest version of the Angular. Okay, so first of all, we have to discuss about what is Angular. So the Angular is the TypeScript based free and open source web technology. Okay, Angular is a TypeScript based free and open source web technology or web application framework led by the Angular team at the Google and by a community of individuals and corporations. Okay, so the main point is that it is the Angular team is led by the Google. Okay, Angular is complete rewrite from the same team and build the Angular JS. Okay, Angular is used as a front end of the main stack. Mainly, the Angular is used to data transfer between the front end and the back end. Okay, there is Angular is used to transfer the data from the HTML or the front end HTML. Mainly in the Angular, there is data is transferred between the HTML and CSS to CSS and HTML, also from the CSS to the database. Okay, so if user enters something, it's means on the HTML, it will be transferred to the CSS and it will be transferred to database. Then if a user needs something and he will tap on the tab, then the HTML will send that message to the CSS will retrieve that data from the database, and that data will be shown up on the HTML, means on the user interface. Okay, now the Angular is used as a front end of that mean stack consisting of MongoDB database, Express.is web application, server framework, Angular itself or Angular JS. Okay, and Node.js server runtime environment. Angular. Now it's about the what's the Angular. Now we have to move on to the features of the Angular. So first one is Angular does not have on a concept or scope on the controller. Instead, it used as a hierarchy of component as it's a primary architectural characteristic. Okay, now the next point is Angular has a different express uh, syntax of forcing on double quotes, and in between that the square bracketed for property binding and double quotes, and there is a normal bracketed for the event binding. Okay, the modularity is a main point of the functions of the features of Angularity. Much core functionality has moved to modules. Okay, Angular. Angular recommends uh, Angular basically recommends the Microsoft that recommends the use of the Microsoft TypeScript language, which introduce the features like static typing, generics and the annotations. Okay, so it is a uh, introduce the Microsoft TypeScript language. Now, the TypeScript is a superset of the ECMA script 6, that means the ES6, and also is a backwards compatible for with ECMA script, that means the JavaScript. In the simple language, we know it as a JavaScript, which is in the technical language as ECMA scripts. Now, the next feature of the Angular is dynamic loading. It is compatible for the dynamic loading. And the next feature is the asynchronous uh, temp- template compilations. Asynchronous template compilations. Now, the iterative callbacks provided by RxJS remains state visibility and debugging. Okay, it's also the feature of the Angular. Now the next one is support for Angular Universal, which runs Angular application on the servers. Okay, and the it's all about the features of the Angular. The latest version of the Angular is now the Angular 12 in the market. Okay, and it's available for the free of the cost, and it is released on the date 12th May 2021. Okay, so it's all about Angular, its features, and which is the latest version of the Angular. Okay, thank you, sir.